Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl jadatyshene back with another video. If you guys want to see how I got this beautiful lash DIY lash extensions, then just keep on watching. So today I'm going to be starting off with a fresh face, and I'm going to be using these Bae's Beauty lash extensions. And I ended up not using the Trish ones, but this is the applicator, and this is the bonder and the lash seal that I'm going to be using. This is the bonder and this is the seal. And so let's get started. The first thing I'm going to be doing is using a lash curler to start curling my lashes. You don't necessarily have to do this. I just do it to make sure my lashes are going to pop and they're going to be going straight up and not falling down over my eyes. So to start off, I'm going to be going in with a smaller lash tray, and I'm going to be using 10s for the first row. But first I'm going to apply the lash bonder. A little bit goes a long way, but I like to really coat my lashes. And if you get some on your skin, it's okay, it's gonna come off, but I try to make sure to coat my lashes as good as possible because I want my lashes to last for a long time, at least 2 weeks. Here I am showing you guys how I pick up my lashes with the tweezers. It's best to pick them up not by the hair but by the lash line. So if you are a visual learner, I'm going to put the lash map for the first row on the screen, but I'm still going to be showing you guys which lash that I do every time that I pick a new lash up, just so it can help y'all to better understand, because I hope it's not too confusing, but I just feel like this will help y'all better. I was really trying my hardest to show y'all what I was actually doing without having a mirror in the way, so please excuse me if I do got the mirror in the way blocking anything. But what I'm doing is I have the mirror lowered under me, and so I will be able to see under my lash line just to see if I'm positioning them right beside each other and not overlapping them for the first row. Also, try to make sure that you get the lash on the skin right before you see your real lashes start to grow, and don't go any further than that, because if you do, when you're done with your lashes, it can kind of make it seem like your lashes are poking you in the eye. So that's one tip that I learned from doing these. Try to not have them too close to your eye, because it will start to bother you days after. Also, I forgot to say to make sure that I'm securing the lashes, like they are actually attaching to my real lashes. I'm using the back of the lash applicator and just pressing it up a little bit. So this is the first row, and now I'm just adding a little bit of the lash bonder because now I am about to start on the second row. Please don't mind how I look, but I'm kind of just showing y'all how my lash line is looking right now. They are evenly secured across, just how you should have them if you've been following along well. So for the second row, I'm really not going to be talking as much this go around because it's pretty much the same thing. But if it's something that I need to say, then I would, but it's pretty much the same process. So make sure to just continue to follow the lash map and you'll do well. Last thing, I just want to let y'all know I am doing the same process, laying the lashes right beside each other for the second row. So I'm finally done with the first eye, and now I'm just going to be showing you guys what I do on the second eye. I'm not going to be talking because it's exactly the same thing. I'm just going to leave this footage in if you guys need to watch it again just to learn or have trouble doing the second eye, but it's pretty much the same thing, exactly the same thing. Now it's time to do the bottom lashes, and this is kind of a little bit more tedious, but I'm about to show y'all what I do to get these baby lashes on my bottom strips. So what I do is kind of just dab the lash into the bonder a little bit. I don't put too much, and then I gently try to apply the lash on top of my real lash. And I'm sorry if it's kind of blurry, the camera will not focus, but this is how it looks. And I'm really trying to show y'all, but the camera will not focus. But what I'm doing is gently applying them on my real lashes, and make sure the curve of the lash is facing upwards, just so they can lay, like the curve can lay upward, as you guys can see. And I'm sorry if I went a little too fast on it, but now I am applying the sealer, and I'm just dabbing it a little bit across the lash line. Try not to get too close to your eye, to the point where, you know, like it's actually on your eye. But make sure to get it on where the glue actually is, because this is gonna like remove the stickiness, and it's gonna seal the lashes in so that you can wear them for a good minute. After, this is me just kind of fanning it to make sure it dry before I start to like blink and stuff too much. And also before I start to put the bonder on the top. So I gently just lay my lashes down. I kind of just dab a little bit across my lash line. I try not to get it on the lashes itself because I feel like it can kind of mess up the wispiness of the lashes if it's something on there. So when doing this, make sure to get it on the lash line only. Again, it's kind of hard to really do stuff for the bottom lashes, but I kind of just dab the sealer a little bit across just so that it can be sealed and so they can kind of last long, but they don't last as long as the top. So now I'm just fanning again, making sure everything is dry. And this is the final look, you guys. I think they look so good, so amazing, especially for at home lash extension. They look 10 out of 10. But let me know in the comments if you guys are going to try it or if you guys have tried it, and let me know if it worked out for you. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I hope it works out for you and that the lash extensions are looking amazing on you, girl. Thank y'all so much for watching this video, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye. Love you.